The translucent door finger guard, a discreet yet essential addition to your doors that prioritizes safety without compromising on style. This isn't just any finger guard, it's a translucent shield designed to protect little fingers from painful door accidents. Say goodbye to door-related mishaps and welcome the translucent door finger guard into your home, because safety should be seen and not just heard. This finger guard isn't just a safety accessory, it's a guardian angel for tiny hands. With its translucent design, it subtly blends with your door, ensuring that your safety measures don't compromise your aesthetic preferences. No more worrying about slammed fingers or little ones getting caught in closing doors. The translucent door finger guard is here to create a safe and stylish barrier. It's not just a guard, it's a transparent protector. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any door accessory, it's a prevention champion. Its translucent material allows light to filter through, maintaining the bright and airy feel of your space while keeping fingers out of harm's way. The translucent door finger guard is not just about safety, it's about maintaining the visual appeal of your home. It's not just a guard, it's a safety solution that understands the importance of aesthetics. And installation? A breeze. No need to summon the spirits of handymen past or decipher complicated instructions. The translucent door finger guard comes with user-friendly installation, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of a protected household without the headache of setup. It's like having an invisible ally, always there, always protecting. But wait, there's more. This finger guard isn't just about practicality, it's about peace of mind. With its unobtrusive design, the translucent door finger guard allows you to go about your daily activities without the constant worry of potential door accidents. It's not just a guard, it's a transparent shield that lets you focus on the joys of home life. Picture this, your little ones exploring the house freely, protected by the subtle presence of the translucent door finger guard. It's not just about safety, it's about creating a secure environment that allows your family to thrive. Your home is not just a space, it's a haven equipped with the translucent door finger guard. That is it for today, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content. See you tomorrow.